In this tutorial, we'll learn how to bookmark a workbook in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. As a workbook author, I want to bookmark this workbook in the navigation menu because I intend to visit it frequently. This saves time and effort while preventing unnecessary searching or navigation to open the workbook. I can access bookmarked workbooks from the navigation menu, which is on the menu bar, from wherever I am working in FDI. To begin, I'll select the Save option to open the Save Workbook dialog. Before I choose where to save this workbook, I'll enter a name and a brief description. Next, I'll go to my Shared Folders to select a destination folder. To add a workbook link to the navigation menu, the workbook must be saved within an admin-created shared folder that I have access to. This excludes the Oracle folder. When I select Collaboration, I notice that the Add to Navigation menu option is available. However, when I go into Performance Management, the Add to Navigation menu option is no longer available. It is important to note that I must save the workbook within the first or top-level shared folder. It cannot be a secondary or subfolder. I'll return to Collaboration and then select Add to Navigation menu to bookmark this workbook. Then I'll select Save. I will close this workbook so I can validate this new bookmark. Now, when I click the navigation menu, I can expand Collaboration, which is a shared folder name, and select the workbook. The workbook that I saved opens, and users with access to this workbook will also see the bookmark added to their navigation menu. Find additional videos and resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.